Did I ever give you guys a backyard tour? Maybe I'll do that on another video. Right now, this is just the problems of the backyard. So let's address it. My humongous backyard. It's small, but it's nice. I like it. It's enough to run around with the kids. They love it. But I have many projects to come. What's up everybody, Raul here with another video, and I'm going to show you guys today my backyard. Unfortunately it's not doing well. I have some problems here. I neglected it for about 3-4 months. I don't have an excuse. I just didn't do anything back here because I was just focusing on the front and all sorts of other projects and other lawns I've been doing. But we're hitting summer and I want this Bermuda to take off back here. So as far as the back, I have Bermuda and I have Kentucky bluegrass and perennial ryegrass mixed in. I am going full Bermuda. I am taking out the Kentucky bluegrass and the perennial rye. I've played with all types of grasses, whether it's St. Augustine, turf type tall fescue, perennial ryegrass, Kentucky bluegrass, and they all have their pros and their cons. And now I'm going for the Bermuda. I've had Bermuda back here. I did have the Kentucky bluegrass and perennial ryegrass mixed in here. Originally this backyard did have Bermuda to start off with. It was dry for many years, and then when I started to basically do a renovation on this backyard, I did it with cool season grass because I'm in the transition zone. So it filled in, looked nice back here, but with dogs and the kids playing around and stuff like that, the Kentucky bluegrass did hold up very well. But when it gets really hot, then that's when the issues start coming here in California. With the Bermuda, I haven't had issues besides it going dormant when it gets really cold, but it just springs back up once it gets hot. And honestly, I've had less issues with the Bermuda than I had here in California with the cool season grasses. But let me show you what I'm working with as far as the back lawn. And another thing too, like if you guys have any like, you know, ideas or you know, maybe some useful information on, you know, my status of the lawn, or maybe I missed something, you know, feel free to mention it. I mean, that's what we're all here for, to help each other out. But yeah, this is gonna be fun. When isn't a lawn project ever fun? But follow me, stay tuned you guys, and let's continue. Let's just keep pushing our lawns to be greener than they were, you know, week after week. We get hit with something, a disease, a fungus or something, but we just bounce right back. We push it hard, and that's the whole, you know, point of this lawn game, you know, just make lawns great again. So it's always fun, you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. I do have, unfortunately, a common Bermuda and a hybrid, because I have two different types of seed heads back here. I got the really wide, big seeded ones, and then I got the very tiny ones that really don't have any seeds on there. And the ones that are the tiny ones, the blades are very fine, very small, and that's what I had back here originally. But then you have little strands here where you got this big old chunky Bermuda guys over here, the common Bermuda. But for the most part, the very fine leaf blade Bermuda is everywhere. I mean, it's everywhere, and mixed in is the common. But I feel like there's more of the smaller leaf blade Bermuda throughout this whole little yard than there is the common. So I mean, it doesn't bother me much. I mean, I'm not gonna scrap it all and then try to get like all one, you know, variety back here, because I know the common will come back. So I'm just gonna push the grass and, you know, get it, you know, lush and thick. Front is the one where I'm working with doing all one variety. But yeah, that's for the back. I just want to show you guys that. As far as the grass goes, this is where it stands. Me really not touching it at all. I mean, I've cut it once in a while, but hardly watering back here. I mean, I haven't had the sprinklers on. I just recently started watering again. I would probably say this past month, but other than that, I haven't watered for 3-4 months at all. Just cutting it and just letting it be. The only thing I would come out here is just come out here, trim up the plants, maintenance, you know, these little planters, and feed the plants. And that thing's struggling over there. We'll address that too, but that's easy. Plants are easy. The lawn is the one where you gotta worry about the diseases and all kinds of stuff. So this is what I'm working with here. As you can see, you know, we got the seed heads here. We got a lot of them actually popping up. But let me take you around. This has always struggled over here. Gotta pick up all these oranges. It's always struggled over here towards the back section. I did trim up this orange tree, so I do get a lot more sunlight. And if you can see here, we have the Kentucky bluegrass. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it has the boat tip right here. If you guys know what I'm talking about, let's see if you can see that. Oh, man, I can't focus in on this. Let's see. Oh, I lost it. Okay, let's grab another one. Okay. So right here is the Kentucky bluegrass with the boat tip. Sorry. So let's stretch that out. You can see here. There you go. Once you split the ends, Kentucky bluegrass right there. So, like I said, all Kentucky bluegrass. This survived here because it is under shade because of the orange tree. And then I do have perennial ryegrass, which you'll see here. Shiny on one side, flat on the other. And Bermuda. And the only reason this is holding up here is because it's been getting water lately, and it's always been shaded right here. So as hot as it gets, it's still shaded. So this is why this is so green here. But I want to take this all out. I don't want this anymore. I'm just going to go with the Bermuda. I know some of you are going to hate me for that, but that's my decision. And right here, it's been struggling. I do have a couple of the Bermuda mites, which I will be addressing. We'll be addressing all this stuff. Whoa, look at this stuff right here. Jesus. Whoa. Look at those seed heads. Jeez. These things are huge. So anyways, I don't want to make this video too boring, but this is where my grass is in the back. It's not that big of a yard, you know, but it'll do. Another video to stay tuned for will be, I am going to take out all these bricks I put, and I'm actually going to do like a little curbing all around. That's going to be fun. I'm going to replace this outside border with cement curbing for, you know, like a mowing edge all around. And then right here I'll put cement, fix this up, cement, boom, that way and that way to the brick wall. But yep, this is a season to revamp this backyard as well as doing the front. But they will be 2 different video series. So stay tuned, everybody, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. Keep mowing and growing.